The difference between Facebook pages and groups. When it comes to marketing on Facebook, most people are familiar with how Facebook pages work. Facebook pages provide a kind of shop window or a flyer for brands. They provide a canvas where you can talk about your business, show off your portfolio, and potentially share posts and information from time to time. While Facebook pages are useful though, they are just one option. And the real power of this platform comes into play only once you understand this and start using multiple features at once to get your message across. Enter the Facebook group. What is a Facebook group? A Facebook group is like a page in that it is a platform for your brand that can have lots of followers, or in this case, members. The members of your group will then be able to post in your group and will see the content you share. The idea of Facebook groups when used by the general public is to present a place where they can discuss upcoming events and topics in a private forum. If you were to plan a stag party, for instance, you might start by creating a Facebook group and adding all the members who are going to be coming. Facebook groups, therefore, act in a much more direct and intimate manner as compared with Facebook pages. The differences. The differences go beyond the intended purpose, however. One big difference, for instance, is that a Facebook page allows people to share content that will then be seen by their wider network. This is a great way for a brand to get more followers and to gain more and more likes. Facebook groups do not allow you to do this. That said though, Facebook group posts are more likely to appear on the newsfeed than our Facebook page posts. That means you can more frequently contact the same person, and it means they'll see more of your content in general. Another difference is in the settings and options. A Facebook group can be set to secret, for instance, which means that only members will be able to see the content posted there, and other members won't be able to discover it by searching for the subject. Facebook groups are typically better for encouraging engaged and quiet chat between like-minded individuals, whereas Facebook pages are more commonly used as a jumping-off point for a business.